Hey everybody. Okay, I am going to make a quick video about how to turn this real life situation into a table, a set of ordered pairs, an equation, and a graph. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is obviously look at the information. You're watching a neighbor's dog. I don't know if guys can see me because it's actually right behind me when I'm doing this. You're getting $5 an hour to do that. So the first thing we have to determine is what's the input and what's the output. Well, the input is the number of hours you put into the situation, so the number of hours you watch the dog, and the output is then the money that you get out of the situation or how much you are going to get paid. So the first thing that we have to do is come up with a list of inputs. So we're just going to make it easy because this is the first time we're doing it. And we're going to have 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. I'm not really sure what the rule is yet. I'm going to think about that in a second. So if I watch the dog for 1 hour and I get paid $5 an hour, I know that I'm going to get paid $5. Okay. If I watch the dog for 2 hours and it's $5 each, I can think of that in many different ways, but I know that I'm going to get paid $10 to watch the dog for 2 hours. For 3 hours, $5 an hour, that's going to be $15. Okay, so I'm going to actually write units down: 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and this is the money that I'm getting out of that situation. Okay, well, I can see here going from 1 to 5, 2 to 10, 3 to 15, I'm multiplying by 5. All right, and how I can write that is y equals 5x. Okay, or remember x is our number of hours. I'm getting $5 per hour, and then y is the money that I get out. So I'm going to change my color here. We'll do blue. How this is going to look basically is y equals 5 times 1 hour, which we said was 5. Or, again, y equals 5 times 2 hours now. So I'm plugging in 2 where the x is, which gives me 10. Y equals 5 times 3 hours, which gives me 15. All right, so again, I just took whatever x was, so all of these are my x values here, and I plug that in where x is. Okay, I'm essentially evaluating the function. How I'm turning this into ordered pairs, I'm going to take my x value first, comma, my y value second. So for 1 hour, I make $5. For 2 hours, I make $10. And for 3 hours, I make $15. Okay, so then really the next part is kind of taking these ordered pairs and putting it on a graph. So I'm going to switch one more time. I got to write those back in, unfortunately, but I remember what they were. We had 1, 5, 2, 10, and 3, 15. Remember, this is my x-axis here and my y-axis here. So my input, or number of hours, would go on my x-axis, and my output, which is money in dollars, sorry, my handwriting is so bad, is going to go on my y-axis. I'm going to go at 1 hour, so 1, 5, I make $5. I'm going to plot that here. At 2 hours, 2, 10, I made $10. And at 3 hours, I make $15. All right, and so you can start to see we are creating a function.